How's it going, fellow traders? Magic Trader here. This is the CFTC report for the data that was recorded on March 9th, 2021. It is March 14, 2021 now, so we're going to take a look at what the institutions have been doing with their positions. So here on gold, what do we see here? Well, let's just bring up my little marker tool and see massive profit taking on long positions. Are we surprised? No, we've been talking about this for a long time. This last amount was from 265 to 254. Take a look at the big decline in price, testing very low in some major demand that we still have holding. We do have expectations that this demand will be taken out. Look at the coloration of the cells. Blue, neutral. They're not bullish anymore. They're not bearish either, but they're neutral, which means not a good time to be accumulating a position if you're thinking about doing that. So very deep test of the monthly demand. We are expecting price to continue lower. There's a possibility that price starts to rally up from here, but we will be waiting for those chart signals in case that does take place. If it does take place, then we'll get in long and ride the momentum to the upside. Oil, we see an increase in longs to 688 to 692 as price was rallying up to come into some supply. And shorts are not really increasing. Long exposure is 82%. We see that they're very long. Okay. Now we are expecting at some point for price to turn over and drop down. So we will be waiting for the chart signal to tell us when that will begin. And when that begins, we'll take advantage of the momentum to the downside. US dollar increasing in shorts 30 to 32,000. As price was rallying up to contact some supply. Okay, big increase. Yes, they also increased longs, that's why price rallied up. But pay attention to this. Okay, we've been talking about a certain theme for quite some time, and now we're starting to see it unravel itself. Aussie, price drops into demand, and we see that they closed some of their shorts. Did nothing with their longs. They're a little bit bullish, but you know, we're at highs, so we are not that surprised to see that. Sentiment neutral. US CAD, take a look at this one again. US dollar CAD, look what's more aggressive. Shorts. What have we been saying for some time now about what the institutions were planning? Okay, for a move lower, and now we're starting to see a move lower. Price closed down there at the lows. That's very, very good sign for a continued move to the downside. We're already situated short. Gave the alert a long time ago to members about getting in short, so this one's doing very well for us. US Swiss francs increase in longs, or shorts I mean, 21 to 23 as price was rallying. Same thing with the dollar pairs, right? And longs are cooled off. You wouldn't expect longs to be cooled off if we were going to get something like that. That's because we're not expecting that. So shorts are more aggressive as price is rallying up, all likely in preparation for a bigger drop. Euro, they closed off some longs as price was dropping. Good idea. Okay, but they also increased shorts. That's why price dropped into demand. Very good chance we start seeing momentum build to the upside from here, so we are watching for the chart for specific signals, and if that does indeed get produced, then we'll be looking to enter in long positions on the euro. Pound, shorts are aggressive, or longs are aggressive, shorts are cooled off as price was right here on the weekly chart. So aggressive, that means we could see a bigger push to the downside. That's possible. But we also got a massive rally over the last many weeks, so that could be another reason why. Profit taking on short positions, that could continue to allow a move even further down. So we'll continue to watch this one and see how it plays out. US dollar, Japanese yen, massive push to the upside. Massive increase in longs. That's one of the first times that longs came out of the blue zone. Very cooled off. Now, not so much. Increase in shorts as well, 61 to 64, but they've been at these levels before, so it's not a big deal. Neutral. After a big rally, they used to be bearish, now neutral. Makes sense. We're expecting price to turn over at some point and head lower. And last but not least, we've got the Kiwi increase in longs from 31 to 32,000. So longs are aggressive, and this is as after a big move to the upside. Very good chance that this turns over and heads lower. We are waiting for certain chart signals. If that does take place, then we'll take some counter trend trades to the downside. Otherwise, over time, we're expecting more upside on this one. Alright, that's your CFTC report for the day that was recorded March 9th, 2021. If you have any questions, need to reach out and learn more about what we do here at the school, you can reach us at www.whiteoakfx.com. Thanks, and have a great week. Take care.